All right, welcome back to the LearnRHEL YouTube channel. Again, this is going to be in the playlist associated with learning how to do some virtualization, specifically using the free-to-use tool called Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager and building virtual machines and maybe even destroying them. That's what this video is going to be about, destroying them. I created a VirtualBox recently, and I was going to do it for a video to demonstrate how to create a VirtualBox, but that didn't go so well, so I'm going to demonstrate with this video on how to destroy one, and then create another video on how to go back and create one. All right, let's get started. I had the Oracle VirtualBox Manager already started, so I simply open it. And then what I want to do is destroy this VM. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go ahead and say remove. I'm going to say delete file so I can give all that space back to the operating system, back to my E drive where that VirtualBox was created. It's that easy. It's gone. It's done. That's literally the end of the video. So it's not listed anymore. I don't have it listed in my E drive VBoxes. Let's take a look just to make sure. But I clicked on remove, and that should have deleted everything from the hard drive and everything from the GUI. And yep, it's all gone. It's no longer there. Okay, thanks for coming back, and thank you for listening to the short, sweet, and simple video, and we are done. Have a good evening.